isn't it? Watch out, she's gonna crash. Move! Give up now! You don't belong here! Let's take down Rumi together! Okay, Mira, go ahead! Rumi deserved it! Let's reach the finish line together!
Those girls played dirty! How despicable!
Yeah, what a race!
It's alright, we'll make them pay. Let's go home.
We are the champions!
If we want to defeat Mira and Zoe, we need to make some adjustments.
So first we should earn money to buy some genie materials.
Agreed.
Everything is ready, and let's start practicing.
Let's start. Rumi works as a waitress? That's surprising.
Stop crying. Mira and Zoe will have to pay for what they've done.
She failed, so she had to hand out flyers. That's the truth.
Please take one.
Wow.
Wow!
Almost.
It's time to practice, Rumi!
Amazing! Let's go! Faster! Hear the sirens singing through my TV. Feel the darkness breaking underneath. Well done, but we still need to try harder. Keep going, we're almost there. Tomorrow we'll pull Mira and Zoe. We'll get revenge on them, okay?
Today will be the day of the race to determine the champion between Rumi, Mira, and Zoe. Beat them! Win the championship! Rumi!
And yet she still dared to participate in the competition today. How ridiculous! Then let's make her leave in a humiliating way. Today, I will defeat everyone who stands in my way. Is that so, Rumi? That's so funny, Rumi! Not getting past us. Give it up, you can't outrun us both. Watch me! You're gonna pay for that, Mira. What's the matter, Rumi? We got her trapped now. Watch out for the lava surge! You can't hold me forever. Nowhere to run on the sand, Rumi. Out of the way, loser! Stop it! Watch it! You nearly took us out. You swerved right into me. Get out of the way!
Great job, Rumi! Go after Mira and take her down too!
Accept defeat! It's Mira's turn next! I didn't expect her to defeat Zoe so quickly. It will be your turn soon, Mira. Get out of my way! You first! This tunnel win this, Mira. Then come here, let's settle this once and for all.
I walk through smiling unashamed. Hold up, the air's turning violent. Hear that hush, that's fear going silent.
That was a fantastic headbutt, Rumi.
But I grow stronger in the grave.
She deserved to lose, understand, Mira.
I got rose light burning in my eyes. When the last bell rings, I'm true.
We won!
Ritual and rose light, watch me listen to a holy code.
Look at them crying.
Rumi, you performed wonderfully today.
Thank you for helping me win. We have truly failed. No, that's impossible. New. That's hilarious, Rumi. How could that skinny mouse possibly beat me? My mouse is great, Mira.
Come on, Rumi! Beat her!
Reflections on the boulevard. Every look cuts deep like a card. You can't follow, go ahead. But you
Watch it.
beat on the words I say.
You're too slow.
One kiss and you're not alone.
Need a map, princess? Keep dreaming, sweetie. Enjoy the dirt. It matches your soul. Focus on yourself.
Watch me shine. I can pull fire in my spine. When the lights turn on, I don't tremble.
Block her.
I take control.
Get lost.
Cut through silence like a strobe light night.
Time to get back on the track and settle this once and for all. Then make your move. Go! Let's end it here, Rumi. Then come here, Mira. Take that skinny mouse back for more training, and you don't have many more chances, Rumi.
Rumi, she's not doing anything at all.
We did it! We actually did it!
She only deserves these terrible things. Never see me again.
I'm the poison in your prayer.
I am the champion!
Come to me, I've abandoned her.
You are mercy, that's cute. I make devils tell like step one, smell like a six step, two stay like three step, three lights down, breath tight. Never
Let me bandage you up.
I don't belong to a cage. I'm the wildfire on a burning stage. Hear my name in the face. Watch me turn your world to ash. I don't do love, I do fade. I don't wait, I create.
This medicine will make you healthier.
Say it, I was born where the sun can't stay. So I learned how to glow in gray. If you ever love the dark in you, then you'll love what I'm about to do. Close your eyes.
I won't give her any chance.
When you open, you'll kneel to me.
Pour it on that skinny rat, and it will be unable to compete anymore.
Glass dagger, watch me strike.
Wow, it smells so good.
Hands up, demon, I don't miss. Kiss, kiss, and I
Now
finish
no
it
one can
live.
stand in my way anymore.
You can't cage me. I'm the storm you can't replace. See better. Glitter under glass dagger.
Why, Mira? Why did you do that? I will show her that my abilities are limitless. Perhaps too many things are reusable.
Every mirror tries to say my name, but I don't flinch, I don't fold. I make a crown out of broken gold. Hear the sirens coming through my teeth. Feel the darkness begging underneath. Pick up the hunter, working tired, but my heart stays wide. I walk in slow like it's perfume. I write your name in the dressing room. If you're a demon, I'm the proof that even devils fear the truth.
Get ready for some light exercise. This time, we have to be serious. Are you ready? Come on, show me your strength!
Quiet, but the shadows scream. Every step is a fever dream. Every breath tastes like a spell. I love the way it rings like hell. No more mercy, no more games. I don't hide.
Wow, is this even possible?
Shaking, I go in.
Tomorrow, we have to face Mira Rajyasha. She played dirty against us before, and we have to win.
Today is the final of the rat race, taking place between Mira, last season's champion, and Rumi, who was the runner-up.
And yet I still managed to meet her here.
Come on, Mira! Win against her!
It's a miracle that she can be here. I came here today to let you know how angry I am. Is that all you've got? Give up! Yeah! It's been a long time since we last met, and you're amazing! I'm not as easy to bully as I used to be. You're falling behind, Rumi! Not a chance, Mira! Hold on now, Zay! Back off!
I've got a heartbeat like a battleground, like the one to run from what I've become. They want my soul, they want my spark, but I'm the queen of the after dark. Look at me!
We have to clear that gap! Now!
I don't survive, I redefine, and when the dagger calls my name, I walk through smiling unashamed.
There's no room for a loser here, Mira! Then get out of my way! Be careful, you never know when a fire might break out, Mira. Just take care of yourself. Try and make me! Why are you so persistent? Because today is the day I defeated her. Let's end this, Mira! Then come here and see what she's capable of. Pay the price for your wickedness, Mira!
From now on, I will no longer trust you, Mira. I was wrong!
We won! We actually won!
If you can't even do something as simple as that, then you're not worthy of me.
I know I made a mistake. Please forgive me and come back to me.
I'm sorry, it's too late. Have we lost already? This can't be true, no!
I hear the city breathing, every shadow talks, every corner bright.
Let's go, Rumi!
Do you think you can beat me with that skinny rabbit? Let's wait and see. Hurry, Mira! Be careful of the obstacle! Give it up! Never!
Hold the line, feel the ground shake, hear the bell, that's the gate. I don't pray, I don't bleed, I speak the words and make it bleed. Countdown, don't blink, 3, 2, 1.
Don't be trying to carrot flavor, Rumi! I've got enough energy to win today! Embrace failure, Rumi! She's the real failure, Mira! Let's end this, Rumi!
Hands up, don't move, don't fail.
I told you, Rumi! You would lose!
She is truly incompetent.
I told you I am the champion!
I'm very disappointed in you, Rumi.
Come to me.
That's so great!
Well to get well soon. Try your best.
I can hear the chanting under my skin like a drum that won't quit. I don't stop.
Let's do some exercise.
Don't blink, 3, 2, 1, now watch me. Exorcism, kiss of the night. I make the dark confess.
Tomorrow the race starts, so be confident. We will win.
Today, Rumi and Mira will compete for the championship. Come on, Mira!
I'm back, Mira! Let's see what you can do!
Turn your curse into my flame. Gate open. But I'm warmer than your soul. I don't need faith, I need fire. And I keep climbing higher. Leave me on the last prayer. I'm the answer in the nightmare. When the night says you can't win,
In your dreams!
once I was soft.
Faster!
But soft is
Watch
so
out!
I learned the language of
You can't beat me, Rumi!
Go find an angel. I'm not the angel.
Too slow. It's over, Mira.
I will never trust you again, Mira!
Is it all over now?
I'm sorry, please come back to me.
Neon exorcism.
Too late.